So today I'm going to make a lamp out of a vintage camera. First things first, the camera I'm going to be using is a vintage Kodak brownie. Obviously bought second hand, a little bit beat up. We obviously need a lamp connection, we need a plug, and we need a length of wire. The first thing to do is take this camera apart and see whereabouts we can fit all the electrics. Right, so what I've done is I have removed the main film part, absolutely destroyed it. But it's not going to work as a camera ever again anyway, so it doesn't matter. So I've removed the main film compartment and we have been left with one big empty hole where the lens goes. And if you can see, I don't know, kind of can get through to the top up here. So what I'm going to do in there is I'm going to drill a hole right through the top of the camera, and then we'll run the electrics probably out the back, I reckon. And then once it closes up, you can still get access to the electrics inside, and yeah, should be alright. Let's give that a go. Getting there. So both holes have been drilled. First one in the top, second one in the bottom for the wiring. So what I need to do is figure out how much wire I want, make sure that that hole goes through, which it does. Tidy everything up before I wire it all, glue it all and test it. So I think we're about there. So what I'm going to do is just stick the bulb in, because I'm not sure if it's straight on the top. But we'll stick the bulb in. If it looks alright, we'll flick it on and give it a go. And so here is the finished article.